the holiday season, the season of gift giving, the season of spending literally all of your money, but most importantly, the season of family drama. Everyone is buying Christmas gifts right now because our society pressures us to, but some of us don't have money, so why not DIY some Christmas gifts? We're gonna get crafty, we're gonna get excited, but not too excited. Today we're gonna be making gifts that you can give to anyone in your family. Let's just get right into it. The first is a thimble necklace. A thimble necklace. Gonna take about a neck's length of string, and you're going to cut it. Take your hot glue in, and you're gonna press it on there, and you're gonna quickly put the string on and let it dry. Great gift. Your mom will love it. So let me just put this necklace on. Let me just get a close-up of that. Wow, that's looking good. And then she can just boop and then do whatever she does. I don't know how to sew. Next, it's a trophy cork thing. You put the trophy on the cork and they use it for their adult juice. This is the only trophy I could find at my house. I have permission to use this. Lord Jesus, help me find my way. So we've deassembled this trophy. We have got it, ladies and gents. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a hole in the cork. So you can take anything to make this hole. I'm using a pen. Probably shouldn't be using a pen because I'm probably gonna break the pen. I did in fact break the pen. After you make the hole, you're gonna just wanna put the trophy head right in the cork, put some hot glue gun stuff, some hot glue right around the base, and then you have a trophy cork for your mom or dad who peaked in high school. I think it's a great gift. Next, so this is the tree of tea, or the tea tree, if you would. Now you need a, what is this? You need a paper towel roll. So you're gonna tape the 2 tea bags to the tree like so. There's 1, and then here's 2, it's right on there. And then as you go up, you're gonna wanna overlap.
There's that. So I'm just gonna keep doing this. I'll fast forward it for you peeps.
So it's finished. Okay. So this tea of tree is finished. It looks just like a tree. I love it. Your grandma will love it. Next, the pumpkin lip scrub. I'm excited about this one. Let's do it. You're gonna need coconut oil, brown sugar, a spoon, and a jar to put this in. Why is it like sticky and wet? We're gonna take a few scoops of this, and we're gonna, this is hard. You're gonna put it in the jar. There's 1 scoop, here's another scoop, and another scoop. Let's just put about 4 scoops. I'm gonna go microwave this. I'll be right back. We're back in business. You're just gonna wanna microwave it till it looks clear-ish. We have the liquid coconut oil. You're gonna take some brown sugar and just put in as much brown sugar as you want. Do this really carefully or you'll get ants in your house. You don't want those, not a fun time. Okay, oops. So I made a mess already, but it's fine. I'm gonna take this long spoon. I put in about an equal amount of the sugar as I did the coconut stuff. You're gonna mix it and you just want to keep adding until the jar gets pretty full. Then you're going to take some pumpkin pie spice. I could only find a big one at the store. You're going to put in 1 tablespoon. Let's say you'll put in 1 tablespoon. Again, your sister's gonna love this. This looks really gross right now. Let's just get a nice look at that. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, let it cool, and then we're gonna use it. Next, a bookmark. For the bookmarks, you're gonna need paper, scissors, some crafty utensils, and some yarn. So you're going to want to cut the paper to get a rectangle. And then you're going to want to take the scissors and cut a little hole in the top of the bookmark. And you're going to want to take a few pieces of string, cut them an even length. So you have your string. I already did one of them. You're gonna want to just take the piece of string, push it through the hole that you made, and then you're just gonna tie it in a little knot like so. So it looks like that. It looks like a bookmark. So you have the bookmark already. And then you're just gonna get crafty. I'm just gonna put a few snowflakes, and then you have the snowflakes on the front, and then on the back you're just gonna take a black marker and say to Granddad from Grandchild. So there's the bookmark for your racist granddad. He'll love it, he'll appreciate it. The last thing we have to do is just try the lip scrub. So the lip scrub is half done. Let's see what's going on with it. So I'm just gonna spread it around my lips. I don't know if this is safe or if it should be going on your lips. You should probably test it before you put it on your lips. Very coconutty and very pumpkin spicy, very scrubby. I like it.
It seems safe. It seems good.
Thank you for joining me on this journey of making gifts for our families. So this is everything I made today. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Again, very easy. People will love it. Your brother, your sister, your grandma, your parents, they'll all love it. It was a fun time. It was a good time. I hope everyone watching had a great time as well. Maybe now you can make some of these on your own. I don't really recommend it. Maybe you could just buy something from a store instead. If you enjoyed this video,
Subscribe.
if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. No hard feelings. I completely understand why you wouldn't want to subscribe to this mess. I hope everyone's having a great day, year, week, month. Bye guys.